Zoo at Khao Din Park has served Thai people for 76 years as a center of zoological education and a recreational park. Dusit Zoo was founded in 1938 and appointed a zoological organization in 1954. In 1963, His Majesty the King adopted it under the royal patronage. Since then, ongoing development has been made to all of Thailand's zoos to ensure they meet international standards. Currently, the Zoological Park organization under the royal patronage of His Majesty the King is in charge of 7 zoos and 1 project and is responsible for a wide range of rare animals. Let us see what amazing specimens are exhibited by each of these zoos. Let us begin with Dusit Zoo, ASEAN's oldest zoo and formerly part of Dusit Palace. Built during King Rama V's reign, Dusit Zoo is one of Thailand's historic landmarks. This historic teak tree commemorates Thailand-Denmark relationship. It was planted by Prince Valdemar of Denmark during his visit to Thailand as King Rama V's royal guest. Perhaps few people today know that one of Thailand's best conserved World War II air raid shelters can be seen here at Dusit Zoo. This star of Dusit Zoo, Pet, given to the zoo by Her Majesty Queen Sirikit, is the only albino barking deer. This is Mali, Dusit Zoo's most prolific hippopotamus that has given birth to 14 offspring. More incredibly, this is a flock of brow-antlered deer, one of Thailand's protected animal species, already extinct in the wild. Here in this zoo, brow-antlered deer are making a return thanks to the rebreeding effort by the Zoological Park organization under the royal patronage. And here is one of the world's most attractive animals, the red-shanked duke. Do you know that Dusit Zoo is the largest breeding center for the duke species, and more than 60 such dukes have been born here? Just 1 hour by car from Bangkok is Thailand's largest open zoo, Khao Keo Open Zoo. Its 5,000 rai or 2,000-acre area is home to a wide variety of rare wildlife species. Rare animals from Africa included cute dwarf hippopotamuses and constantly vigilant meerkats. North American representatives are doubtful-looking raccoons and small yet nimble caiman crocodiles. And from South America is this giant anteater. In addition, this zoo boasts a large collection of Australian wildlife species, including the astonishing Madagascar lemur. Equally amazing is this, the largest flock of red brow-antlered deer in Thailand. Also waiting to be seen is a flock of hundreds of painted storks flying over the water, as well as a large collection of feline species from every corner of the world. Some 800 kilometers north of Chonburi is Chiang Mai Zoo. Located in a shady area at the foot of a mountain. Meet our Thai-Chinese goodwill ambassadors, Chung Chung and Lin Hui, the charming pandas that have brightened Thailand's tourism industry. Their reputation exploded with the birth of their young Lin Ping, which has won most Thai people's hearts. A marsupial resembling a doll, the koala, chubby as it is, consumes little water and feeds on almost nothing other than eucalyptus foliage. Across Thailand, there is only one family of these African rodent-like creatures called hyraxes, whose name in Thai means rock rabbits. Having thick armor-like skin, this huge Indian rhinoceros can run with an amazing speed despite its weight and cumbersome experience. The sight of a shark swimming near a mountain seems like a miracle. Chiang Mai Zoo's aquarium offers a fantastic experience through its 133-meter underwater walkway, the longest in the world. Moreover, visitors can experience snow in a 7 degrees Celsius temperature inside Chiang Mai's zoo's snow dome. From the north, we now visit Songkhla Zoo, whose tropical rainforest environment is home to indigenous creatures like the tapir and the hornbill. In addition, this zoo is a center for the reproduction of the tapir, one of Thailand's 15 protected species, as well as Asia's biggest hornbill breeding center. Most spectacular is this cow-like, beautifully colored mammal of Indian origin, which was given the Thai name Nilagai by Her Royal Highness Princess Mahachakri Sirinthorn. The Northeastern Civilization is our next destination, where Thailand's only savanna-like zoo is located. This zoo features a collection of the 5 hallmark animals of Africa: lions, African elephants, leopards, rhinoceroses, and wild water buffaloes. Still in the northeast, our next visit is to Ubon Ratchathani's jungle-style park, where African animals and some creatures of the Cervidae family, deer, brow-antlered deer, and barking deer are displayed in a jungle setting. This zoo, with the largest population of mature Dipterocarpus alatus trees in Thailand, is intended to serve as a fully fledged ecotourism site. Here, Khon Kaen Zoo offers you a fantastic time at its mountaintop water garden, where you can stroll along the skywalk, enjoying its deer kingdom. Finally, this Elephant Kingdom project in Surin province is in charge of rescuing stray elephants. This is also a tourist attraction featuring the Kui culture. Although over 70 years have passed, the Zoological Park organization, under the royal patronage of His Majesty the King, has remained committed to wildlife and nature conservation and zoological research in order to make every zoo a recreational park, wildlife learning center, and nature conservation station for all visitors. Are you ready to experience the amazement of Thai zoos?